Hello, this is Trace Rajano, your mentor, and I'm here to interview Bill Duquette. So Bill is all about mindset, and I want to ask you, Bill, if there's one thing that you can tell our audience about, one thing that they can do to thrive, not just survive during this recession, what is it? What's your tip of the day?
To thrive, not only just survive. Well, to me, I'm all about mindset. I'm a hypnotist, I'm a certified hypnotherapist, and I'm constantly training people on how to reprogram their subconscious mind to go out and get anything that they want in life, and I mean anything during any time. My businesses are huge right now, exploding, even in this so-called recession. Here's the reality, folks. There's only a recession if you say there is. Your mind is more powerful than you know, and when you can tap into your mind and really take control of your thoughts and beliefs, and here's how you do that, by the way. If you're out there and you're thinking you have not been hypnotized, trust me, you have been hypnotized whether you believe it or not. The challenge is bringing you out of the trance that you live in right now, and the biggest, most hypnotic medium on the planet is the news. Stop listening to the news, stop listening to the naysayers, and you go out and you create your destiny just like I have. And if you need help with that, I'll be here to do that, because I'm all about helping you get everything you want, and that's how you build wealth. You give other people more value than what you're asking for, and you're guaranteed to succeed. See you in the future. God bless you.
All right, thanks, Bill. And I'm going to interview Bill, so watch out for it in the website refusetojoinrecession.com. Again, that's refusetojoinrecession.com. Again, this is Trace Rajano, your mentor.